Hello, I'm Jamie McCord, Floyd County Manager, and I would like to take this opportunity to discuss some of the highlights of our 2021 annual report. 2021 continued to be a struggle with COVID and operating normally. Our 2021 budget has shown some growth and staff continues to manage within their respective departments. I am extremely proud of our management team and department heads in managing county business this past year. With the retirement of Assistant County Manager Gary Burkhalter, we began 2021 with a new division structure. Susie Gass was promoted to Administrative Services Division Director, John Blaylock to Public Safety Division Director, Bruce Ivy to Public Utilities and Transportation Director, and Aaron Elrod promoted to Community Services Division Director. This change was very successful in year one in giving department heads and management team a much more manageable span of control, allowing me to focus on joint operations and commission directives. With some of these changes, Floyd County 911 hired a new director in 2021. Summer Robinson, who has 22 years of service with Floyd County, and Victoria Henson was also hired as the assistant director, bringing 7 years of service and splitting time between 911 and EMA operations. Let's move into some departmental highlights for 2021.
Hi, I'm John Carroll, Airport Manager. In 2021, the airport's drive-through security gates were upgraded, as well as a new gate installed on the northwest side of the airport. We have also installed a number of new security cameras around the gates and terminal areas. In October, the Wings Over North Georgia Air Show was highlighted by the U.S. Navy Blue Angels. Although we had a bit of rain Saturday, the turnout was packed and it was a great show. Sunday was even better and the Blue Angels rocked over Floyd County. 2021 also saw the beginning of construction for the Runway 119 extension. This part of the construction was mostly site work for grading and drainage. When complete, the runway will have grown from 6,006 feet to 7,010, potentially drawing in a greater number of aircraft.
In 2021, we launched a brand new website which allows for ease of access, updated technology, and better mobile experience. This incorporated an updated employee portal also named the County Connect. Floyd County implemented the Denver Peak Academy program in 2020 and welcomed and trained 52 employees in 2021. The Peak Academy trains employees at all levels on the principles of Lean, which teaches how to eliminate waste, improve efficiency, and ultimately create a higher standard of government work product. In 2021, we held 3 peak sessions where employees learned techniques and strategies implementing peak performance throughout their departments. These employees took a personal investment in the county's continuous organizational growth and process improvement, completing 16 A3 projects. Over the course of 2021, the Rome Floyd Development Authority launched their new website, established a social media presence, and coordinated their first community engagement social media campaign, and added a project coordinator to the team. They were also recognized as a top 10 metro area for economic development and held the first joint strategic planning session. These investments created 214 jobs and announced over $162 million in investments. The expansion and new construction included Sunrise Manufacturing, Integrated Fiber, Georgia Pacific, Hillman Group and Big Time Products, Ball Corporation, VT Industries, Southeast Solar, and Summit Hill Foods. In 2021, the decision was made to move Elections and Voter Registration Office to shared space at the Floyd County Health Department. This allows for significantly more space for election staff, better access and parking for both early voting and registration. It also allows for a better citizen experience for full transparency during the elections and registration process. Emergency Management continued to monitor COVID in 2021, coordinating drive-through testing at the Coosa Valley Fairgrounds. The hazard mitigation plan was updated, submitted, and approved by both GEMA and FEMA. The Rome Floyd Fire Department saw major accomplishments, including completion of the new burn building at their training complex on North Avenue. This new building will allow live fire exercises for firefighters to train and learn new techniques in fire suppression operations. For the first time in many years, the fire department became fully staffed, and with the new pay plan, were able to attract previously certified firefighters as part of their process. The IT department was instrumental in setting up virtual courtrooms for Superior Court at the jail, limiting the number of inmate transports significantly. Efforts on cybersecurity continue to be a priority with updated firewalls and email filtering to improve security in all locations. The Floyd Land Bank had another successful year in 2021 despite the ongoing pandemic. They continue to have a variety of properties purchased each year. These are overgrown, vacant lots, wooded lots, and blighted houses adjacent to properties and acreage. The majority of the properties processed through the land bank are returned back to the tax rolls and put into a productive use. They are looking forward to expanding their operations in 2022. Floyd Parks and Recreation planted 17 trees at Etowah Park in 2021 with their partnership with International Paper. With assistance from the Floyd County Prison, trees from Ridge Ferry Park were repurposed into new picnic tables and 2 shelters installed at Brushy Branch. A new playground was also installed at Eagle Park, and new logos were placed at 23 existing park signs throughout the system. Staff assisted with the installation of poles and nets at the Etowah driving range, and agility equipment at the dog park was also installed. The septic system was repaired at the Lock and Down bathhouse, and all campsites were upgraded as well. In October of 2021, Paul's was one of 15 chosen from thousands of groups across the state to represent at the annual Pet Adoption Day and Georgia Grown Festival. This event, hosted by First Lady Marty Kemp at the Governor's Mansion, helped bring several into our shelter and resulted in many new rescue partners for Paul's. Paul's also gained about 30 rescue partners in 2021, many in the northeast part of the country. They assisted with a very special animal transport by plane at our own Russell Regional Airport. 2,230 animals were rescued through the combined effort of our rescue partners and adoptions, and we ended the year with a 97.19 live outcome. Paul's partnered with the Floyd County Sheriff's Office to create a cruelty task force between the 2 agencies. The sheriff's deputies joined animal control officers to become certified and trained in animal cruelty investigations. Since the partnership in August, their combined efforts have resulted in 17 felony arrests for a total of 162 felony aggravated cruelty charges, 69 state-level misdemeanor charges, and 4 cases currently under investigation with charges forthcoming. In 2021, the Planning Department began working on an update to the Unified Land Development Code. After 20 years, the document was due for a revamp. They completed and adopted the MTP, or Metropolitan Transportation Plan, and also the 5-year Transportation Improvement Plan. The Governor's Office of Highway Safety awarded a heat grant to Floyd County Police Department to help us mitigate crashes and fatalities in our area. The grant pays for 3 new equipped vehicles as well as salary and fuel reimbursement. We were unfortunately eligible for the grant due to the significant increase in traffic fatalities over the past several years. 2021 fatalities equaled the combined total of 2019 and 2020. K9 Barrow joined the police family. The 2-year-old Malinois Shepherd mix was trained at Southern Coast K9 in Florida thanks to a $21,000 donation from a private citizen. Barrow was trained in detection of narcotics, tracking, and apprehension at no cost to the county. To date, he has seized more than $225,000 in contraband. Officer Blake Puckett was presented the Life Saving Award and Officer of the Year for rescuing a woman from a fiery crash on Georgia 53 after her vehicle was struck head-on by a DUI driver.
Hello, I'm Bruce Ivey, Floyd County's Public Utilities and Transportation Division Director. In 2021, we completed a reorganization in Public Works that involved creation of 2 new positions to improve our efficiency and provide better value to our citizens. In November, Ben Brooks started as the new Assistant Public Works Director. Ben's previous experience will be a valuable asset to our roadway maintenance program. In Public Works, the Chubb Road project received GDOT funding for construction, and we are currently working to acquire right-of-way. The Hall Road relocation project was approved and will be funded and managed by GDOT. Existing county right-of-way will be used and design is underway with construction planned in 2023. This will provide improved access to this area. The Redmond Trail is a popular project that was bid and construction began in the fall of 2021. This project was made possible through a public-private partnership between Floyd County, the City of Rome, and TRED after many years in the planning stages. In August, Emma Wells started as the new Solid Waste Director. Emma came to the county from Keep Rome Floyd Beautiful, and her passion and enthusiasm will be instrumental in promotion and education about the merits of our recycling operations. 2 projects completed in 2021 at the Recycling Center include a latex paint bunker, and a cardboard collection bunker. Splosh funds were used to procure a street sweeper for Public Works. This sweeper will be used to support airport events as well as NPDS stormwater programs and normal street sweeping operations. Another project completed in 2021 was the Brave Stadium terrace upgrades, suite upgrades, and Gate 6 upgrade.
The Superior Court had a very busy schedule during 2021 as judges addressed the backlog of cases which accumulated during the period when jury trials were suspended. Thanks to the availability of the forum, they were able to resume jury trials beginning in March 2021. Since that time, the 4 judges have conducted approximately 50 jury trials, and together with the District Attorney's Office and the Public Defender's Office and the Defense Bar, they have completed thousands of cases. The drug court and mental health courts remain active in addressing their particular needs and circumstances of their programs. In particular, the drug court grew to its highest participation since it began, and the mental health court had 2 additional graduation ceremonies.
Hi, I'm Steve Halsey, Utilities Administrator of the Floyd County Water Department. In 2021, we initiated the Biddy Well Road project, located in the southern part of Floyd County. The test well was drilled and testing is complete. The new source will increase our system capacity for future growth in the area and relieve the existing sources during high demand. The DOT widening plan for Highway 293 requires the relocation of one of our water mains to avoid conflict. We've submitted our plans to move the main outside of their construction area. This action will minimize the disruption to our water system during the project. In 2021, Floyd County Water Department developed a plan to replace 6 miles of existing PVC main along Highway 53 with 12-inch ductile iron pipe. This will support the growing demand along the Highway 53 corridor. We're currently working on the first phase that includes replacing 1 mile.
2021 was a challenging year, but significant progress was made in organizational structure, employee advancement, SPLOST, economic development, and most importantly, operating within our approved budgets. I am extremely proud of our county staff, department heads, and elected officials. I would also like to thank the Board of Commissioners for their leadership and guidance in making 2021 a productive and successful year.